Welcome back for another video from Sigma 3 Survival School. I'm your host, Rob Allen, and today we're going to cover another method for making a stool. In the previous video, we showed you the basics for splitting a tree in order to produce something closer to a bench-style seat, which can be made big or small. Today we're going to cover how to do a different version of the same kind of seat. If you've got an interest in learning these skills hands-on, make sure to visit survivalschool.us and check out some of our programs. We've now got financing available for all of our courses, and you can get approved for anything we offer in minutes. So you can attend courses now and pay later. But without further ado, let's get into it. The art of bushcraft is really about looking at your surroundings and figuring out what these different natural resources are and how they can be used as commodities, how they can be transformed into useful tools, things for your immediate or long-term survival. And a woodcrafter can take, random items that are laying around the forest floor and construct them into useful items for their short to long-term survival. In this case, this is going to be something more related to long-term survival and providing for your overall comfort in a longer-term camp, or maybe even a hunting spot or something along those lines. The ability to be able to construct furniture quickly and easily to get you up off of the ground with a small amount of tools such as this settler's wrench, which is an absolutely essential tool to carry in my opinion. It has a 1-inch diameter hole that acts as a chisel that allows you to get dowels started, and those dowels can be placed into all different types of furniture, from chairs to tables, benches, chopping platforms, just anything that you can think of for camp furniture. This tool can be used. And it really doesn't take a whole lot of time. A chair like this, which could last you for years, might only take an hour and a half to construct. And it's made out of cedar, so there's, or at least this particular one is made out of cedar. There's no chance that the legs are going to rot. And it's a great long-term furniture implement that you can keep and use for a multitude of different purposes. The settler's wrench itself really weighs next to nothing. It's less than a pound. It's something you could put on your belt or throw into a haversack. And here at Sigma 3, we're very much about being tool heavy and light on expendable items that can only be used once or twice. So we carry a set of tools that enables us to provide for all of our other survival needs. And there's not much that you can't get done with a saw, a knife, a hatchet, and an auger. I mean, almost any type of shelter, furniture, or short-term survival need can be constructed with these simple hand tools that you can easily throw into a haversack, backpack, or throw onto your waist. And this simple little project, can just be another little woodcrafting, tool or skill in order to kind of throw into your overall survival toolbox. And anything that you can do to make yourself more comfortable in the wilderness will get you out there enjoying it that much more often. Okay, so that was another version of how to build a stool. A simple yet effective option. If you've got a settler's wrench or a Scotch eye auger, you can build all kinds of stuff. This is now part of my everyday woods carry. Being able to build furniture simply and quickly in the wilderness with a tool that weighs less than a pound is really a must-have in my opinion. If you've got an idea for a video, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. It's got to be some kind of skill set that provides for your basic survival needs, which are shelter, water, fire, food, tools, navigation, medical, and security. And if you'd like to see something done, we will take the comment with the most likes and add that to the video to-do list. As always, we thank you for supporting Sigma 3 and for supporting us this last decade. You make it all possible. And we're back to making full-time YouTube videos. I've hired a big content production team. We've got several new players here at the Sigma 3 house. And, you know, so we're going to have a lot of high-quality videos coming out soon. And if you're interested in supporting us, make sure to check out some of our swag that's available below. And if you want some hands-on training, make sure to check out our 45-day survival instructor program or the Wilderness Standard programs. We've got financing available for all of those courses. You know, but we'll see you again next video. Sigma 3 out.